Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I will be planning in my Big Happy Planner for the week of 4th of July here in the United States. So I went into my stash and I found these really cute stickers, and I think they are me and my big ideas. Yeah, they're me and my big ideas stickers, but I had quite a few of them. They're older, from 2001. So I have a couple of these here, and then I have this big sheet here. I'm not going to use this giant sticker, but I may use the little kids there and the stars. And then I also have a few miscellaneous things here, some stars, star borders, and firecrackers. So I have those, and then I also found some washi tapes in my stash. These here. Then I just have my Mambi sticker pads here that I will pull some stickers from. So let's get the stuff cleared off and we will get started. Guys, so here's my final layout. I think it turned out really super cute. These stickers are just the cutest. I always remember when they came out, they had one for every holiday, so they're just super adorable, really cute illustration. So I hope you liked this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did, leave me a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye, God bless.